What's up, YouTube? Today it's going to be a little short video just showing you the process to make these little pocket bottle openers. There we go. Let's try to get a focus. These are made out of hickory. They're using the Rockler bottle opener inserts. We got a couple of variations here. We got a keychain. We got magnets, in case you want to put it on your fridge. Make it convenient to use in the kitchen. But without further ado, we're going to enjoy this tasty beverage and get out of here. Alright, first things first, we're just going to give you a closer look at these openers since the intro was a little brief. They are sitting at about 1/2 inch thick and 2 1/4 inches in diameter. There will also be a couple pictures at the end of the video just so you can see them in a still frame. First step is to break down the lumber into more manageable pieces because it's just easier to work that way. Here I'm breaking down the hickory into a 10-inch length using the Rockler crosscut sled on my table saw since I don't have a miter station. If you break down lumber same way, good practice is to put a block against the fence. This allows you to get repeatable cuts without risking binding up on the fence and getting some kickback. Once you're done there, you go show off your fantastic art skills on the bottom of the board. This makes sure when you're running through the jointer that you hit every low spot and just makes the board come out nice and smooth. Flip it up, give yourself a nice square edge on the side of the board, and take it back over to your table saw. Here we're cutting the board down to its final width, which is about 3 inches in this case, giving me room for the following steps. Like magic, the table saw adjusts itself to resaw the board. I always put the blade just above the halfway point and do it in 2 passes, even if it's capable of doing 1. I just feel it's safer that way. And take it over to the planer to get it down to its final thickness, nice and smooth. After you do that, you can go over to the CNC and get everything all set up to make the magic happen. This double-sided tape that I use is amazing. If you're interested, I will have everything linked in the description. For the entire process on the CNC, we are using a 1/4 inch downcut bit. This allows it to run efficiently without any pieces chipping out or breaking. It took about 3 minutes per opener. Next, we are just using a little bit of CA glue to hold the inserts in place while we do the glue up, just so nothing falls out or moves, and ensuring everything is consistent. What I did not catch on camera because I forgot to hit record was the inner circle. I used the router table to break it down with an 1/8 inch round over bit. Like magic, the glue is dry because you don't have to wait like I do on YouTube. So from there, we take it back over to the router table, use the 1/8 inch round over to hit the outside edges just to give it a nice soft feel in the palm of your hand when you use it. Sand it at 100 times the speed because no need to bore you with that. Take it over to my little makeshift oiling rack and adding mineral oil in this case because it dries fast, it's food safe, and it's just easy to use. To wipe off the excess, I always use shop towels because they leave no lint behind and they're easy to grab and use. Here is some final pictures along with one where I use the laser to put my name into it just to test it out. If you guys like this video, please comment, let me know what you like, what you don't like, share it. Follow me if you do, if you or don't, it's up to you. But it's much appreciated. If you do want to see more content, you can also check out my Instagram. I tend to post more there. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.